Hi, in this video I'm going to share some additional features of JIBB Workspace and go over your user experience. So you've already gone through how to set it up with selecting your surface and your camera, but the additional feature right now I want to point out is manual selection. So what this is you can drag the corners onto the particular part of the board or paper that you want to use. It's really helpful for like wall-to-wall whiteboards, or you're just trying to use a particular part of a board. But for the purpose of this video, I'm just going to use the auto detection. I'll also point out that you can readjust this at any time by selecting the window at the bottom there. Now, as you see the gesture mode there, what that is you can come up here, and while you're using the board, you can do certain hand signals to perform actions while you're at the board. So a piece is to take a snapshot. If I put a thumbs up, it'll create a pointer so people can see what I'm pointing to at the board at that moment, and a thumbs down turns it off. While I'm at the board, we have object removal. So if I stand in front of the camera, it's going to remember where the board is. If I put something like an eraser on the board, it's not going to detect that. It'll remove it. And also, you just gotta use the whiteboard the way you normally do. So you can come up here, I can draw things, I can wipe it out, it'll get rid of it, and I can add new content as well, like so. Now, in terms of the workspace itself, the first thing to point out is how to get people involved and make it collaborative. So if I go here, I can share meeting, I can add people's email addresses. If I'm sharing my screen within a meeting, you can get them to scan the QR code with their phone or their tablet, or you can copy the link and put it in the chat, and they do not need a JIBB account to join the session and collaborate. Now, the features that they will get access to, and you have too as well, is these annotation tools. So there's a selection tool here. They can change the color of their annotations. They've got a pen tool here where they can draw things and point things out. They've also got a text tool here, so they can type certain things and make comments, just like this. And then you can go back to selection tool and you can move this around. You can make it larger or smaller. You can invert it and spin it around. Now, to get rid of the annotations, you just go to delete here. You can do delete selected items, or you can clear all just like that. Now, if there's a particular snapshot that you want to take at a certain point, you can just press the export as an image button and that will land in your downloads. Now, we also have the rotate button here. This is for if the board or the paper is detected the wrong way, you can just flip it up the right way so you can get to writing your content. Now, the final piece of the puzzle is autosave. So what's been happening during this session is JIBB's been taking snapshots of everything I've been doing. And when I hit stop, it will compile all of that into a PDF and email that to me. So if I go to my email, you can see here, it's popped up. And you can see this is where we started. And then this is where we finished. And yeah, that's JIBB Workspace. Thank you so much for watching, and happy whiteboarding.